This question is about plotting points on a graph from this table and finding the line of best fit. So first off, we're going to determine which one is going to be our x points and which ones will be our y points. So quick reminder that this horizontal line down here is our x-axis, and the vertical line over here is our y-axis. All right. And so typically when you see a table like this, the first column here are going to be your x's, and the second column will be the y's. So to plot it, it's just going to be one at a time, plotting our points by counting. So this graph I made here is 50 in each direction, and each line will count as 2 points. So first we have the point 19, 20. So on our x-axis, we're going to go to 19, which is going to be halfway in between these lines, and then we're going to go up to 20. So our first point's going to be right there. And then for the second one, same thing, we're just going to count over to 31, so in between these two lines, and then up to 25, which will be right there in the middle of that box. For 35, we're going to go over here, and then up to 30. And again, I'm just counting over. The first number is going to be the number of times I count to the right, and then the second number is how many times I go up. So I've done my first 3. Now we're going to do 38, 33. So 38 is going to be right here, and then we're going to go up to 33, which should be right there. And then we have 39, 35. So 39 is going to be here, and 35 will be right there. And then we have 40, 36. So this one should be a little easier. It's on a line. We have 40 and then 36. 42, 43. So 42 is right there. We're going to follow that line all the way up. Oops, I lost my line. 42 up to 43 is right there. And 47, 47. So 46 is there. 47 is in the middle of that line. Up here. And again. 2. All right. So we have all of our points plotted. And line of best fit just means we're going to try to make a line that trends in the same way that these lines do. So if you kind of back up, you can see the line, or the points tend to follow a line kind of on the y equals x line. So I'll just change my color here. And we're just going to draw a line and try to be, ooh, that didn't work. Let me do an actual line here. But we're just going to try to make sure that all of the points are about equal distance from the line. So that's a pretty good line of best fit to me. And that is going to be the answer to this question.